Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. They are XRP related. Uphold, a long-standing liquidity provider, has made some rather significant announcements, and the price is still holding firm. All of it is accompanied by that ripple in this video. Indeed, then, let us begin. The latest announcements from XRP are fascinating, as I said before. In fact, the SEC made that major news today, and we'll explain everything in this video. First things first, if you want to stay abreast of all the newest and best happening in the cryptocurrency industry, including XRP, then you need to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Having said that, the judge has ordered Ripple to turn over the settlement funds to the SEC. The SEC's advocacy for this is now public knowledge. Furthermore, it is, to some extent, a significant matter. There are those who would argue that this isn't the be-all and end-all since it only allows the SEC access to financial records of XRP sales at the period when the SEC is essentially suing them, alleging that they're security. However, that is a significant matter. In the end, the court has ordered Ripple Labs to provide financial records dating back years, satisfying a long-standing demand from the Securities and Exchange Commission. Court materials. Of course, in the end, I don't think they'll discover what they want since they are holding to all they can. I believe we could have overcome it. Similarly, if anything went wrong, Ripple wouldn't be such a strong point. Everything would have come back, in my opinion. Finally, however, here is the formal judicial filing. You can make out Sarah Nutborn there. After giving the SEC the benefit of the doubt in this case and finally quitting, the U.S. magistrate judge is now seeking an order ordering in response to questions about the amount of money it made from institutional sales of XRP after the complaint was filed. Ripple Labs is required to provide financial statements for 2022 and 2023 as well as post-complaint contracts. In the end, ECF numbers 9 through 5 cover all of their expectations and desires. At long last, the break is over, the funds from the institutional sale will be up next. Last but not least, on lines 2 and 3, it states that the SEC's petition has been completely granted. The clerk of the court has politely asked to end the motion at ECF numbers 9 through 5, thus Auditor Sarah Nutborn is essentially giving the SEC what they want. But what exactly does it signify? So, that's the main concern. All they'll be able to view are the financial data that led to the selling of XRP in the end. It was a $1.3 billion lawsuit that purportedly accused Ellen of selling XRP, which is a sort of unregistered securities, but whether or not it will lead to anything is anyone's guess. In light of yesterday's discussion, here are some important dates to keep in mind: April 16th for my video and April 24th for the final outcome of the court case. I believe the outcome of this will be determined by time. Just as I said before, in my opinion, this is essentially the SEC taking action. They don't have much more to do, and the Coinbase case will also be a major turning point. Additionally, the outcome of the SEC's loss in that court action might have a significant impact on the XRP case. My collaboration with CTF Token is now another great development. We've touched on them briefly, but exciting new collaborations and some intriguing news demonstrate our steadfast dedication to growth and supporting creative initiatives. Now, CTF Token has been doing a lot of excellent work with both XR and LM, and we flourish as a collaborative inside the blockchain circle. Fullest Crypto Trading Fund stays committed to offering complete support for initiatives that enhance innovation. Sending a direct message to their account will receive you the CCF token, and there's a link to trade XRPL on their website in the description, so you can see what they're up to. By the way, if you're interested in investing in XRPL, you should check out one of the largest projects introducing the token at CTF. My apologies, but I couldn't resist. CTF token website, definitely check out the links in the description. As I said before, it's well worth your time to learn about crypto trading and blockchain-powered passive income. At last, the part that holds for those of you who are invested in XRP, I want to share some details regarding that amazing announcement. Now that we know there are a lot of reasons why Ripple teamed with Uphold, including their liquidity, this is likely the first major outcome of that cooperation. Right there is where they have an interesting, maintain unit of XRP. Those who successfully enter their XRP wallet address will have access to these unique NFTs produced in partnership with Xpunk, according to NFT Extremely Excellent. Once again, the significance of this relationship cannot be overstated. It unites the values of Uphold and XRP. Uphold is known to be quite active, and their large liquidity may greatly aid the XRP's development. Never forget that financial regulation is the main focus. Building out for the 2024 bull run is the most crucial thing, and those financial institutions are the center of attention. In such case, looking with lower support around 45 and higher resistance at 56, the price is now trading around the 50-cent level, where it has been for a while. The rest of the market did take a knock today, but according to our trend line, XRP has to break above its 50-day exponential moving average before we can consider it a success. Despite the short-term victory for the SEC in the SEC caucus, I would argue that the price is really back up and pretty steady in light of today's news. Concerning the current state of XRP, there is a great deal of optimistic sentiment. Meanwhile, I don't believe anybody is very concerned about the results of those papers, yet, the price remains relatively same, and that sun is the only one. That concludes our daily analysis. On the shorter time frame, we continue to see a little fall, but it is far less than the 200-day exponential moving average. Similarly, on the 50-day, it is also significantly smaller. The 50 was tested. We are likely approaching a point when we will see this divergence. We would want to see a break above MACD, which is holding very short. Well, that's not great tier 2, I know a lot of you are thinking, but we could go either way. But the truth is that we'll just have to wait and see what happens if we witness that positive MACD cross. If so, we may see an upswing in prices that tracks the market's attitude. What do you propose we do with XRP? Share your thoughts here. I've already stated my belief that this court fight and the subsequent comprehensive washing of these records will prevent any major breakouts. However, I do anticipate a really large increase for XRP once it occurs. Post a comment and tell me. Is everything I've said here correct? Do you have any concerns regarding the validity of the papers that the SEC has obtained? Please inform me in the description at all times. In addition to dropping by CTF Speak, we will also be present down there. The video ends there. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.